What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and on today's episode we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to do an unboxing video, and we're going to show a set of wheels that we got for my good friend Joe, 4Runner. We are going to be mounting this ones with some bigger tires on there, but the cool thing about this is that technically the Tacoma and the 4Runner, they share the same ball pattern as the Mazda B series and the Nissan Hardbody. So you can technically get any wheels that would fit a Tacoma, a newer style Tacoma, and a newer style 4Runner, and put them in your mini truck too. This one is going to be a set of 18x9 6x139.7 if you're going by metric, or 6x5.5 if you're going by standard. So let's get them out of the box, show you guys what we bought for the 4Runner, and then later on we're going to be having a video mounting them and putting them on the truck, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, let's get right to it. Alright guys, and before we start pulling them out of the box, I just want to talk about the specs again. This is going to be a set of 18x9 zero offset. The wheel model is going to be they're called 969. That's the company that makes these wheels. And I believe this particular style is going to be called the 6-1. It does also come in a 17-inch. So if you didn't want to get something so big for your mini truck, if you were thinking about putting in them, you can go ahead with a 17. They are a little bit more aggressive on the offset, but 18x9 does fit on the mini truck. If you haven't seen the video on the white Mazda that we uploaded with the 18s I have on it, check it out. I'll link to it on the top. But yeah, so these ones are going to be 18x9, zero offset, and let's get them out of the box so you see how it looks. All right guys, and just one little quick detail on the box I want to point out. This happened, I think, when I moved it, but they have the size right at the front, which I thought was pretty neat, pretty easy to identify. 18x9. There's no way you're gonna get lost. If you see something 17 and that's not what you asked for, you're gonna know right away. But right off the bat, very well packaged. We have this in place. We're gonna take it out, and then look at that. We have some nice cover. We have a rim protector here. So let's get that out of the way. Then we're gonna get them out of here. So we're gonna move this. Look at that, I have another film of protection. So the wheels are coming in pretty well packaged, which is really nice. Most of the time you only see this and the rim protector and the cardboard on top, which that already gives you plenty of protection when shipping, but this one went a little step further and added some film. So let me take this film out and get those wheels out of here. Look at that, it's already looking good. We got them in the gold, gunmetal color. So let me get them out of the box so I can show you guys the whole wheel outside of it, and let's look at it. Alright guys, and here we have the wheel out of the box, and right off the bat you can see the color is beautiful. It might look a little black in the video, but it's a nice gunmetal, nice and shiny, pretty gloss. The full finish in the wheel looks very nice. I don't see anything standing out, anything that looks bad or like mispainted or anything like that. It does have a lip on them, so it's about a 2.5-inch lip in here. It has a T37 style to the whole wheel, so it's a very tuner-like style, which I love personally. So if you're going for that on your mini truck or you're in 4Runner or Tacoma, this would be a nice set of budget wheels to put on there. They are BIA and JWL certified, so they have passed those certifications, which they should be fine for daily driving and stuff like that. If you're doing something like motorsports, you might want to look into something that's a little bit better, but for everyday driving, just this wheel is going to work just fine for that. I'm looking here at the back of the wheel as well. Let me flip it around. Now if we look at the back, we can see the nice aluminum finish here. That's obviously not painted because that mounts to your hub, so you don't want anything kind of sticking with the heat or whatnot. You do have all your specs on the back. We can see here's 18x9. We have the ET0, which is your offset, and any other stuff. It's also here, max load, everything else. All that information is on the back of the wheel. So it's very nice. I think for $130 to $140 per wheel right now, It's definitely a very nice, cheap budget wheel. So if you're thinking about upgrading the look of your truck and don't want to spend a ton of money, this is a very nice set to get. They do sell this ones in a 17 by 8.5, I believe. So those will be maybe a little bit better if you're not wanting to have a big wheel look on your truck. I love big wheels. I have 20s in my Tacoma for that reason, and I also have a set of 18s that if you catch our install on the 88 Mazda, you'll see how they look on a small B series. But I have seen hard bodies with 18s as well, and I think they look great. I ran personally 17s before when I had my old hard body, and I always thought I could go slightly bigger on it. But then again, this is for those people that like that big wheel style on it. And on the 4Runner, these wheels are gonna look perfect. We're gonna put some nice thick all-terrain tires on them, so they're gonna look great on it. If you were to put them on a mini truck, obviously you'll have to go with a low profile tire. That way you can fit them and have no issues at all. But overall, I think Joe's gonna be absolutely happy with these wheels. They look to be pretty nicely built, pretty nice all around. Paint looks awesome. And of course, we are gonna coat them. So if you're curious about coating wheels or whatever, we have a video on that. I'll link it on the top as well. But we always coat our wheels just to make it easier to clean and keep them clean on the long run. I really recommend you guys do that. But outside of that, these wheels look great. I mean, if you really just wanted to look for another option for a mini truck or a pickup like a Tacoma or a 4Runner, I don't think you can go wrong with these wheels. That's really all I have for today, guys. I'm trying something new. We're doing a little bit of unboxing review before we actually install these parts. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should we do a little more of those videos? Do a couple unboxing and review? Let me know down there in the comments, please. And that's really all I have. So if you like what we're doing, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, or leave a comment and tell us what you guys think. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.